Caterpillar on the daily chart, series of higher highs and higher lows, trading up above this 200 moving average on the daily chart. Looking on my channel, back on the 16th of July, we also went over this chart right here at this juncture. Caterpillar continues to push to the upside. Now we're getting a small pullback right here. I look at the history of this chart, found other pullbacks similar in dollar amount. For example, this pullback right here is very similar to the one we're currently experiencing right now. We do have a pocket of potential support right around 382. I like to see Caterpillar pulling into this pocket of potential support, not breaking below, then providing me with a trigger to go long on a 15-minute time frame. On the hourly chart, price is trading below the 200 moving average, so set yourself an alert to make sure that Caterpillar can get back up above that 200 on the hourly chart. Fundamentals are looking strong. 2021, 50 billion. 2022, 59 billion. 2023, 67 billion. We do have that increasing top line revenue and the company is profitable. Once again, there's nothing to be done on this chart until price can demonstrate strength back to the upside above the 200 on the hourly chart. If that happens, then consider positioning going long and setting your stop loss below this pivot low. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll also put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups in cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.